2014 Nepali whitewater river rafting, and I did survive. I'm taking Cipro, that's for sure. That's the bar, and up above it is the restaurant. And you can get a variety of accommodations. You can get this little hut with a porch. We have one in the back without a porch. Or if you're like Navraj and Samgun, you can get a tent. The bathrooms are pretty nice. There's a Western toilet.